This 2026 East to West Della Terra 272RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, slide out, microwave, auxiliary battery, TV, leveling jacks, air conditioning, external shower, water heater, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 East to West Della Terra 272RL is 7,885 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.